Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Trading Technicals. So we will go back to our yesterday's discussion, right? And we had mentioned somewhere that if at all we get this level, okay, we will try and buy we get into the buy position, okay, and this particular thing which gave us almost like 50-60 points. If at all somebody has booked it, fine. Otherwise our SLs would have hit in this scenario. Okay, basically I was carrying the position, so my SL was hit. However, immediately there was a short position which was, so because this level we had discussed that this level we will be selling, right? So exactly this level I had sold and had covered the position at 18,050 because that was our target. Okay, so we got this particular thing which is almost 150 points. Okay, and here we had SL of somewhere around 30 points. Okay, so that SL was hit and we were out of that trade. Okay, so overall it was a positive day for the trading. uh, Now what has happened in this scenario is basically, if you look at one weekly chart, okay, yesterday we had discussed this particular thing that there might be a complete bearish candle we might see. And then if you look at this candle, it was almost similar candle. Okay, the recovery doesn't happen much, exactly the same candle has been formed here. Okay, and however this candle is little bigger than this candle, and it is kind of a piercing pattern. Okay, which confirms some kind of trend reversal on a weekly chart. Okay, however, looking at the overall trend, the trend lines are not broken. Okay, so we will continue with our uptrend thing till the time we are not seeing any fall below this trend line, right, which is 17,900. Okay, till that time our view would be buy on dips only. Okay, and now if you look at it from this point of view, on a daily chart, we are seeing daily charts, we are seeing the fourth candle which has been come out as negative. And if you look at this candle, there was a small bit of recovery in the last few minutes, and this is exactly closing at this particular thing. Okay, so basically all your gap which was there, which has been filled, and all these things are taken care now, and hopefully we see. So this zone would be very critical for us. Okay, so this particular part, if at all we break, then we will have a further breakdown which is possible, which is till 17,500. Okay, till that time we can expect one bounce back from here. Okay, and on Monday again we will go back to our 1 hour chart. Okay, our levels will be above this particular part again, right? So 212, 215, that is a range we can enter into a buy position, or else we can expect Nifty to break 18,000. Today's data, if you look at it, the FIs are still negative on the market, and current situation is basically they have hedged both the sides, so there is not much to see here. But we can expect some kind of bounce back, because now if you look at it, here one bounce had happened exactly on the same level, right? Today it has given us a hammer kind of formation here. Okay, so we can expect some bounce back, which is SGX is already showing. Global markets are still positive. However, we need to always remember one thing, that crude prices and bond yield, these two important things which are dragging the markets down. On top of that, our own local results, which will have domestic results which are coming in, that will also have an impact on this thing. So which is always impacting our market sentiments. Okay, so if you look at it, these levels, okay, one bounce back we had, second bounce back we are expecting somewhere around here. Okay, however, till that time Nifty is not crossing above this particular level, right, which is 353. We cannot expect this will become always a volatile market in coming days, because till the time this level is not been crossed, we will not be current scenario is FIs DIs both are selling, hence we are seeing this kind of movements. Okay, so we have to be very careful when we are taking a long trade or anything. Don't carry any positional trades or anything till the time we have a 350 400 which has been crossed, and then we can expect further up move. But till that time, I think we have to play with smaller trends, which is 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, so if you look at yesterday's our trend lines, exactly Nifty broke this trend line, came down to this support level, okay, which was also yesterday's low. Okay, that was again retested, and then it has moved back again, right? So the trend line, once it has crossed 18,088, probably we had another buying opportunity here. Okay, so this is how we have to look at in the shorter time frame, and we have to look at these formations like this hammer formation here, okay, which has clearly confirmed us that there is a support at this point, and Nifty has bounced back. Okay, looking at the intraday data, I was clearly seeing one part of it is 18,000 also can be broken, because there was a huge amount of call writers adding on positions at 18,100, so that was clearly confirming us that there might be a possible down move may continue. Okay, but however, I would have a view that probably we can have one bounce back somewhere. Okay, so this is what the view for Monday. You have to look out for these particular levels. Okay, our levels will remain same, which is 210, and now we can sell below 18,036. Okay, 18,030, 18,000 level. Okay, 18,000 would be more of a psychological level, so 18,000, below 18,000 we can sell, and we can buy about 18,200. Okay, and our stop losses would be around this level, so which will be 30 point stop loss here. And in this scenario, this is the zone which, if at all this is broken, then 18,000, once it is broken, we will keep this as a stop loss, right? 18,050. So here the 50 point stop loss will be there, but our immediate target will be 871 or 870 or 17,900. Those are the targets we can look out for this thing. So my view, we can still have a bounce back in the coming days, but let's wait and watch. Let's not look at the trend which is already in a negative side. We should look out for better buying opportunities at different levels, right? So have a great evening and have a good weekend. Thank you, guys.